fighters. Kasama natin si Coach. Hi, Coach! Coach Romel, no? De Jesus. Meron ka bang gustong i-greet yung community at mga alumni na walang sawang nagsusuporta sa inyo? Alam mo, pag Lasal partner, I really noticed, even sa basketball actually. Di ba, nag-courtside reporter ako for you. Pero nanonood ako kasi sa bench, iba yung support ng Lasal community. Ikaw, you would know. Ako muna, ay, pamangkin, ano ba? Anak mo, kapatid, ano? Sinungaling ba tayo? Coach, meron ba kayong gusto message sa lahat ng mga sumuporta sa Lasal NBA team?
Nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng mga supporters, especially sa mga sa community na walang sawang.
Si Coach camera shy, pero sa Twitter, nakita ko pag nagagalit yan. Scary, natawa sila lahat.
Kahit yung mga players, sabay-sabay. Huli ka.
Huli! Hindi mo alam, Coach, nakatak pati audio. Rinig na rinig.
Pero ano si Coach, yung dating na yung mukha niya, di ba? Parang very friendly, no? Pero siguro mahigpit. Mahigpit si Coach, yes or no?
Yes.
Aba, you know what? That's the secret of success, you know? When you have somebody who is the head who's a disciplinarian, yun na yung pintuan para ikakanay kung manalo.
Nung coach ka ba, disciplinarian ka rin?
Ah, yes.
Nakakatakot ng coach.
Hindi naman, I would fight for every right.
Yun na rin yun.
Oo. Dahil tingin ko kung tama, bahala na. No? Kung kahit na magalit ang management, makabangga mo, but you have to stand up for what is right, diba?
Bagay.
Oo, hindi pwedeng, kasi pag ang players, binigyan mo ng konting puwan, kakainin ka na ng buo. Lalo na sa basketball, diba? Because you're talking of guys that are superstars and they
may
feel,
ego.
Mga ego trippers yung iba dyan, diba?
Ito kaya may mga matitigas ba ulo?
Wala na.
Wala na. O, pwede mapakilala ko sa'yo, my cousin's here, Michelle Gumabaw. Hi, Michelle.
Hi.
Alam mo, heartthrob yan. Ang dami dito sa Twitter nagsabi, pakihay naman ako kayo. Pakilala mo naman sa mga teammates mo.
Yeah, sige.
Shaq Cruz, the MVP.
Start from ano? Can we do it from your right?
One by one.
Farthest going towards you. Please go ahead. Farthest to your right.
So this is Ara. She's our rookie.
Ara Galang. Rookie ka lang?
Rookie of the year.
Wow! Congratulations. Araw ka masyay, mag-hi ka sa mga nanonood sa atin sa Delaware.
Hello po sa inyo.
Lapit ka sa mic.
The make sure siya. Rookie pa lang, kaya hindi pa masyado madaldal. Okay?
Tingin ko pag wala ang camera, madaldal yan.
Parang hindi. Parang talagang very shy. Go next one.
So, our one and only MVP, Abigail Maranyo.
Hey, Abby.
Abby.
Third year, so we're batchmates.
Third year ka na ba? Wow.
Okay.
And
at Chuck Cruz, our captain ball MVP.
MVP ka rin, nakita ko yung finals yung Game 3, di ba? Graduating ka na ba?
I graduated last term.
So,
Last year.
so this is your 5th year?
5th year.
Okay. How was the feeling? Back-to-back champions kayo?
Super amazing. Ganda ng parang tapos ko yung 5th year ko na super successful for everyone.
Yeah, what a way to do an exit. Back-to-back champions, di ba?
Yes.
So that means on your 4th and your 5th year, may champion kayo. Pero yung 1 to 3rd year mo,
Ilan ang
did you
Lasal?
win? Yeah, that's a good question.
First to 3rd year, nung you were in the team?
First ko, rookie ako, champion. Pero I wasn't playing then pa rin. I mean, bench player pa lang ako nun.
Nag-champion na kayo nung first year mo.
And then, yung 2nd year ko, champion kami under Manila Santos. Then 3rd year, first runner-up. And then 4th year is last season 73. And then 5th year, season 74.
Champion ito ng back-to-back. So, isang nagpahinga lang kayo ng 3rd year. Sino nakadali sa inyo ng
USC.
Ste! Hindi galit na galit kayo sa Ste. Hindi naman. And this is it Mika? Mika Esperanza. Kung gusto mo mag-hi, anong year mo na?
2nd year.
2nd year. So, sayang partner, no? Ilan ba sa isang volleyball team? Ilan members?
Yeah, how many players in the team?
40.
14.
14.
At 5 lang kayo.
How many in a particular game? So, 6, ano? 6 players. So
Six
it means
players.
6 against 6. No?
By the way, kung meron mga gusto magtanong sa ating mga guest partner, mag-text lang kayo sa DZMM Space React Space ang inyong questions, comments, kung gusto nyo mag-congratulations, at isend yan sa 2366 o kaya naman i-tweet nyo ako at Gretchen Frida and I'm gonna be reading your tweets on air.
Yeah.
Yan, partner. Ang dami na nag-tweet dito. Kilala niyo ba si Juvie Del Rosario? Sabi niya, hi daw, Michelle. Ayan, hello. At ito pa, matagal na po ba ang mga lady spikers? Hindi natin. Si Nika Sapuay. I think she's from Lasal too. So, ito na on air na sila. Ayan. Daming tweets. And congratulations daw siya, sabi ni R. Villamor Jamal. Friend mo ba to? Ang dami niyang fans, so cute. Ito. Paki-ask naman po si Nika how it feels being a champion on her rookie year. Sabi ni Christine Mailing. Second year ka na? Yung rookie year mo ba to?
Siya.
O mali ka, Christine. Pero tinatanong niya ano daw feel maging champion.
Feels great. Syempre, very overwhelming.
Did you by any chance, any one of you felt sort of not confident at all that mukhang hindi tayo magcha-champion, malalakas ang kalaban?
Meron ba kayong
Or
doubt?
were you there from start? Alam na niya, sabi niya, magcha-champion kami.
Yes.
Tell the truth.
Start pa lang ng game, very confident kami na it's gonna be ours again.
You know, that's a question I want to ask you. No? Pag kayo'y naglalaro, no? How many of you guys, you really feel nervous, no? Na may araw na kinakabahan kayo, meron namang araw na buong kumpiyansa nyo, merong araw na masama ang katawan ninyo. There are a lot of things that go into playing yan, di ba? It's not only physical but mental, no? Mental toughness is very important, no? Kaya tanong ko po sa inyo, ito, nung kayo'y on your third game, swinit ninyo di ba? Oh, it's supposed to be best of an ito
Kasi pinagbigyan niyo pa ng game 2.
Swinit ninyo di ba? Was there any part of the series, those 3 sets that you felt na medyo kinabahan mo kayo? Go ahead. Anyone can answer.
Last game.
Cha, MVP, go.
Oh.
Hindi kami kinabahan at all. Feeling namin mas more determined kami kasi nakuhanan kami ng isang game. And for us, yung problem kaya kami nakuhanan ng isang game is siguro nag-overconfident kami kasi na-sweep namin over the elimination round. And then, pagpasok namin ng game 1, dun kami natalo.
Yes.
So, I think yun yung medyo naging problem. Pero overall, super confident kami na sa amin yung season na
So, katanungan si Abby kasi di ba yung buong sabi mo nga sa elimination round sweep nyo and then nakuha ng Ateneo, na-break nila kasi from the previous season, tuloy-tuloy din yung panalo nyo So, nung na-break ng Ateneo yung isang game nyo na yun, yung paglampasan nyo the whole UAAP season, 73 and 74, ang feeling no, nakaka-frustrate ba, nakakapag-gigil?
Yun, nakaka-frustrate siya and nakakapanggigil talaga kasi parang isipin mo, na-sweep namin ng yung 14 games tapos mabibitaw kami doon. Pero we take it as a challenge kasi parang, syempre isipin mo, hindi ka naman, pangit din naman na mag-champion ka lang, makukuha mo lang na gano'n. Masarap yung feeling na makukuha mo yung gusto mo na pinaghirapan mo talaga. So parang we take it as a challenge, like binigay ni God para bumangon kami and makuha namin na ng buong buo yung championship because of that loss.
Meron ba kayo, coach, mga superstitions before the game? Di ba may mga... Meron? Dali, bukan niyo na si coach.
Bawal magupit ng kuko, ng buhok.
Totoo?
Talo po kami we got our hair, everyone.
Oh,
After the game of Ateneo, yung first game. Hindi mo.
We have to eat chicken.
We cut our hair.
Bakit chicken?
Kasi mabigat yung beef, so hindi
Yes, like,
Pero ano yan, part talaga.
Kaninong superstition yan?
Good
Sa
coach.
inyo?
Nutritional.
Sige nga, nutritional facts. Di ba usually dapat na carbo loading pa eh?
No.
No?
Before the game, pwede kami kumain ng beef. Pero during as in the day itself, bawal kami kumain ng eggs, beef. Kasi parang mabigat yun. So, matagal makapalo ng ayos. Or,
So, and how
Kayo ba before a game, naniniwala ba kayo doon sa bawal kumain ng ng mali?
Mani.
Yeah, peanuts. Because bawal man gawin, malas gawin.
Bakit? Bakit?
Yeah, you know, if you're taping, ako yun, ano yan eh.
Alam ko, uubuhin ka, baka sumabi.
It's a no-no sa mga pag
Ay, sa
taping,
artista.
masama daw yun, hindi daw maganda yung mali.
Baka kasi baka nga ma-choke ka.
Mari. Coach, before you answer, I'll ask you a question, but I'll give you time to think about this and all of you. Kayo ba yung kalaban yung Ateneo? Was it parang personalan ito? Atenista kayo, galitan na sa Atenista.
May rivalry.
But before yan yung rivalry, no? But before you answer that, meron tayong report.
May report si Henry at walang tuition fee hike. Moratorium, suportado ng mga OFW. Henry?
Suportado ng Grupong Migrante International ang isinusulong na 3-year moratorium sa tuition increase sa mababang kapulungan ng Kongreso. Ito ay kaugnay sa planong pagtatapos